Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to continue our pen platformer game. Now it's part 2 of this epic series. Okay, so this is where we left off. We have the player can jump with nice, and the ground is from a pen, and that's pretty it. And let's continue. So in this video I will show you how to make more levels and more platforms and modify some code. Okay, so I want to start from modifying the code. We don't need to wait, and we can start deleting the spawn x and spawn y variable. It's just no point. So now, in the very beginning, we'll broadcast a message named level 1. There you go. Then, when I receive level 1, it'll set level to 1, it'll set x to negative 210, set y to negative 110. Okay, so let's see. Yes, this is nice. So now, I would show you another glitch. If I duplicate it and change the y position, like negative 140, 140, see, it overlaps. Oh, and even if you remove it, it's still there. So we're going to fix that. It's so simple. It's just by adding an erase all at here. Now it's normal and there's no glitches like that again. Okay, and I forgot to tell you that today's video we're going to make the player hide and a pen version of it will do everything for him. Okay, so what we're going to do is make another block called draw player. Run without screen refresh. Draw player right there. Then define draw player. Wait. I'll edit this actually. I'll add draw player at x, y, y. Okay. So x is x and y is y, and you just need to go to x, y, pen down, look at that, change that to pen up, and we'll set pen color to a black color. Okay, let's test that. And now we have the pen version of the player. You can see it's 100% pen now. Not even using the sprite because now it's hidden. So let's go and make more levels. Okay, so now we'll make new platforms. I would say draw a line from negative 100 y negative 100 x 0 y negative 100. Can you make it jump like that? Okay, you can. Maybe a little lower. Negative 110. Negative 110. There you go, that's nice. And we'll duplicate that again. Make a platform, just make here and then go to that. So, how many? I will take 80. And Y. How is that? 110. 130. Y. I don't know. I guess 20. To X. 180. Y. 20. That works. Oh, that's too high. Sorry. Oh, sorry. It's 60. Okay, 60. Negative 150. Negative 150. Oh, sorry. Sorry again. It's wrong again. Negative 50. And negative 50. Okay. So now, right, organized. Okay, so now we have that, and you'll need a portal right here. So to do that, make another block, draw portal from X, X1, Y, Y1, to X, X2, Y, Y2. On dot screen refresh. Do that. And so this is 80. 180. 180. Y. Where's that Y? Negative 50. To X. Wait. How long should it be? 200. To X 180. Y. Negative 20. Oh, and set pen color to a blue color. Purple and blue. Could this work? Oh, what is that? 80. Maybe I'll do that. Then define portal. Duplicate that. Place everything. Then I think I should do a set pen color to blue. Would that work? Oh, that works. That's yeah, that's nice. We'll adjust it. Negative 40. Oh, negative 40. Negative 10. Oh, sorry, yeah, negative 40. Y 0. Just a little bit more. Negative 30. Y 0. And yeah, that should work. So now we'll make portals. Okay. So now where should we put this? Put it here. Put in if touching color blue. Make it so cute. Blue. Okay. Then we'll broadcast level 2. I'll actually make this in another block. So I would make another block called collisions. Oh, that screen refresh. Put collisions out here. Define collisions. You've got blue. Broadcast level 2. Let's see level 1. Let's just test it to make sure it does work. Okay. Oh, it pens down. Oh, and oh yes, forgot to do it. If level equals level 2, make another block called level 2. Run dot screen refresh, and we'll switch this level 2. Let's just try and duplicate this. Oh, sorry. Let's try and where's define level 2? Duplicate that. And yes, let's try. Okay, so now it works. So now we'll make the real levels. Okay. So you'll put in here and level equals 1. Okay, that's enough. Test that again and it surely works. Whenever it is level 2, you can't do anything. Okay, nice. Now I'll just make the level 2 and oh yes, make the ground, so I'll make it different. Not 40, but I'll make it 100. Oh, negative 120. Draw line. Wait. Okay, and just follow me. What number should be in here? Negative 60. Y negative 110 to X 0. Yeah, that's nice. 60 and make another one. Negative. Okay, so this is the result. You can copy this when you can pause the video and copy this. So now you quickly need if y position less than negative 180 and level equals 2, then broadcast level 2. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.